Sanibona bafethu uvane lo so namhlanje Orlando Pirates isishaya i-announcement. Le announcement ke eyenzile bafethu ingejezi elisha. Orlando Pirates namhlanje iyodlala against iMagesi. Njengoba iyodlala nje against iMagesi, Orlando Pirates ikhiphe umbiko ukuthi bazodlala ngejezi elisha limited edition. I-third jersey le Orlando Pirates bafethu njengoba niyibona nje emva kwachaza ke la bathi Adidas and the Orlando Pirates are proud to unveil a club special third edition jersey, a bold new chapter in South African football design and culture. The players will wear the limited jersey during the Carling Knockouts quarter-final against Imagesi at Orlando Stadium tonight. The Orlando Pirates third jersey draws the inspiration from the iconic Orlando Towers, a landmark that stands as a symbol of iSoweto pride, community and artistic expression. Thiwa leli jersey leli bafethu lizoba available ngomhla ka-14 November kuma-fans ukuthi akwazi ukuthi alithenge, kodwa ke kuzoba limited. Ngeke kube khona izitolo eziningi zaka-Adidas la eSouth Africa, kodwa zizoba on selected Adidas stores, on selected retailers. Lizobe li-available futhi online kwi-Orlando Pirates, kwi-website ye-Orlando Pirates, futhi lizobe li-available kwi-website ye-adidas.co.za. So bafethu ijezi leli elisha, ngilithathile ke lapha mesakhona njengoba nilibona nje nali. Ngilithathile ngathi awuthi ngilithathe ngilibone ukuthi mase ngilifaka kwi-AI ngangikhiphela umuntu okanjani oligqokile. Nayi le mpahla le inspiration yayo iqhamuka lapha kulawa ama-towers amabili aseSoweto. Njengoba nilibona bafethu ijezi lizoba kanje. Ijezi lizoba kanje. Abadlali namhlanje bePirates bazobe begqoke ijezi elisha leOrlando Pirates. Nangitshela ama-comments, how do you rate leli jezi leli out of 10? Nilikeza ba. For me, I think leli jezi leli kumele kube away kit Orlando Pirates. But ke ne-away kit nayo yinhle lesinayo currently. Yinhle nayo lesinayo currently, but ke leli bafethu 10 out of 10. Ngikumbuzza ama-third kits. Uma usubheka ama-third kits nama-away kits akhona le kwi-Premier League, most of the time i-Arsenal uzoyibona nje ibheji lihlukile, alifani njengelinye ibheji. Most of the time lama-kits lawa bazowagqoka kwi-Champions League, but ke Orlando Pirates I think leli jezi bebelizogqoka kwi-Champions League kube ba-qualifyile, njengamanje nge basaligqoka. So they decided to unveil it against iMagesi. It's a good thing to do against iMagesi. So it's a quarter-final match ebaluleke kakhulu because ama-team amaningi akwazanga ukuthi afike kulesi sigaba lesi competition. So unveiling this jersey right now, it's a good thing for Orlando Pirates. So ngangitshela ama-comments, how do you rate this jersey bafethu? Ulinikeza ba? For me, I think ngiyalinikeza u-10 out of 10. Akumele nje bafethu balikhipha, akumele bafethu libe limited, kumele lihlale bafethu. Angazi ningakhala kanjani, because azoba sold out. Mase sold out ngeke siwathole sonke. Kumele nikhale bafethu, nikhale ngempela, nizinyawo adinga la majezi. Adidas kumele ikhiqize amanye amajezi akanje.